Welcome to Gemara for Children. I'd like to begin by learning 5 new words from our Gemara. Word number 1, shumshamin, sesame seeds. Word number 2, tfei, more. Word number 3, tamarim, dates. Word number 4, remainim, pomegranates. Final word number 5, teku, let it stand. We've learned that in measuring effort versus reward, Rabbi Yirmiyah had 4 questions. Question number 1, what would the owner do if he left behind a half a kav, 3 cups of grain, spread out in his threshing floor in an area that's 2 by 2 amos? Question number 2, what would an owner do if he left behind 2 kav, 12 cups of grain, spread out in his threshing floor in an area that's 8 by 8 amos? Question number 3, what would an owner do if he left behind 1 kav of sesame seeds, spread out in an area that's 4 by 4 amos? And final question number 4, what would an owner do if he left behind 1 kav, 6 cups of either dates or pomegranates, spread out in an area that's 4 by 4 amos? So our Gemara is going to answer all of these questions with 1 word, and that word is teku, which means let it stand. The Gemara says that we leave the question standing and we don't have an answer to any of these 4 questions. And I'd like to teach a beautiful teaching of the Shalah HaKadosh, the Holy Shalah. He says that in the word teku, it's hinted to the fact that although now we don't have an answer to any of these questions, but when Eliyahu Hanavi is going to come in the times of Mashiach, he will answer all of our unresolved questions. The word teku is a Rashi Tevers for the following 4 words. Letter number 1, the Taf. The Taf stands for Tishbi. Eliyahu HaTishbi, it's one of the titles given to Eliyahu Hanavi. The second letter, the Yud, stands for the word Yitaretz, which means he will answer. The third letter, Kuf, stands for the word Kushiyos, which means questions. And the fourth and final letter, the Vav, stands for Ve'ibayos, which means and asks, that Eliyahu Hanavi, when Mashiach will come, he's going to answer all of our questions and all of our asks, and may we merit for that to happen today. Amen.